Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Indash Car Stereo Touchscreen is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your vehicle, offering a seamless blend of entertainment, navigation, and connectivity right at your fingertips, turning every drive into a more enjoyable and informed experience. Number 5. Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM Transmitter Car Adapter. Experience a delightful drive with our ambient light feature. Easily turn it off with a double press when you don't need it, giving you full control over your driving atmosphere. Enjoy a faster, more stable, and smarter connection with our latest Bluetooth 5.4. It ensures less sound quality loss and uninterrupted calls and music, pairing in just 1 second. Charge 2 devices simultaneously with our intelligent dual USB ports, offering PD36W and USB-A12W. It ensures safe charging with built-in protections. Experience amazing hands-free calling and music streaming thanks to a stable Bluetooth 5.4 connection and noise suppression technology. You can connect via Bluetooth or a USB stick. Immerse yourself in powerful deep bass and high-fidelity sound by simply pressing a button. It makes your music more dynamic and enjoyable. Once paired, it automatically reconnects to your device every time you start your car. Enjoy a stable, low-latency connection with clear, high-quality audio. What we like. Looking for a stylish and functional upgrade? This adapter features a unique ambient light switch for customizable cabin mood. Its advanced Bluetooth 5.4 ensures stable, high-quality audio and calls. If you want a blend of aesthetics and performance with fast charging capabilities, this is a great choice for a more enjoyable drive. What people say. The screen is bright and clear, making it easy to see even in direct sunlight. Installation was straightforward, and it fit perfectly in my car's dashboard. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, with responsive touch controls. Number 4. LAMTTO 9.26 Wireless Carplay Android Auto Dash Cam. Effortlessly connect your smartphone wirelessly for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Access your favorite apps, maps, and music directly on the large touchscreen, all controlled by your voice. Capture every moment with the 2.5K front dash cam and a 1080p waterproof backup camera. Enjoy wide-angle views, night vision, and loop recording for a complete record of your drives. Upgrade your sound with seamless Bluetooth audio streaming for lossless quality. It also supports FM transmission and AUX output for versatile audio options. Enjoy your favorite videos from apps like YouTube and TikTok on the big screen using AirPlay or Android mirroring. Experience high-definition entertainment on the go. Stay focused on the road with built-in Siri and Google Assistant. Make calls, send messages, get directions, and play music using simple voice commands. Navigate with confidence using real-time GPS through CarPlay or Android Auto. Get up-to-date directions without needing separate devices or subscriptions. Designed for almost all cars, trucks, and RVs, installation is a breeze with the adjustable mount. Simply power it via the cigarette lighter for instant use. What we like. Prioritize safety and connectivity on the road. This unit boasts a high-resolution 2.5K front dash cam and a 1080p backup camera for comprehensive recording. If you're looking for seamless smartphone integration with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto on a large, responsive touchscreen, this is ideal for a safer and more connected journey. What people say. The touchscreen is responsive and the display is clear, making it easy to navigate through menus and apps. Installation was straightforward, and it fits perfectly in the dashboard without any gaps. The sound quality is excellent, with clear highs and deep bass, significantly improving the audio experience in a car. Number 3. 7 Double-DIN Car Stereo Wireless CarPlay Android Auto. Experience effortless driving with automatic phone syncing. Enjoy hands-free control of navigation, calls, and music through voice commands, keeping your focus on the road. Immerse yourself in rich sound with 240W of power and dedicated subwoofer outputs. Easily connect aftermarket amplifiers for deep bass and an unparalleled audio experience. Navigate with ease on the vibrant 7-inch HD touchscreen, supporting 1080p video. Physical buttons and a rotary knob offer safe and intuitive control while driving. Benefit from faster pairing and stable connections with the latest Bluetooth 5.3. Enjoy crystal clear calls thanks to noise reduction technology, even at high speeds. Designed for easy integration, this unit includes mounting frames for common double DIN openings. Check your vehicle's dash for a perfect fit. Upgrade your car's audio and connectivity. This system brings modern features and superior sound to your daily commute. What we like. For the true audio enthusiast. This stereo is designed with audiophiles in mind, featuring dedicated dual subwoofer outputs for deep bass. If you appreciate tactile controls like a physical volume knob for safe operation and desire a powerful, customizable sound system, this is the one to elevate your in-car listening experience. What people say. The screen is bright and clear, making it easy to see even in direct sunlight. Installation was straightforward, and it fits perfectly in the dashboard. The sound quality is excellent, with crisp highs and deep bass. Number 2. PLZ 10.1 Wireless Single DIN Car Radio Stereo. Experience your drive like never before with a stunning 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen. Its adjustable angles and mirror-link compatibility turn your car into a connected entertainment hub. Enjoy the convenience of wired or wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Use voice control for navigation, calls, and music, making every journey safer and smarter. Immerse yourself in rich, detailed audio thanks to the built-in DSP and 10-band EQ. With powerful 240W output and dual subwoofer support, the sound is truly captivating. Stay connected with the advanced Bluetooth 5.3 module and an external antenna. Enjoy crystal clear hands-free calls and uninterrupted music streaming, even in noisy environments. Navigate with confidence using live directions from your connected phone. Plus, easily control essential functions with steering wheel controls for a safer, more convenient drive. Please verify your dashboard opening size before purchase. Professional installation is recommended, and some vehicles may require additional adapters for a perfect fit. What we like. Experience a truly immersive multimedia hub. This unit features a large 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen with multi-angle adjustment for optimal viewing. If you want the flexibility of both wired and wireless CarPlay Android Auto, coupled with audiophile-grade sound customization via a built-in DSP, this is perfect for a feature-rich and personalized driving environment. What people say. The screen is very responsive and the interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate through different functions. Installation was straightforward, and it fits perfectly in the dashboard without any gaps. Sound quality is excellent, with clear audio and good bass response, significantly improving the car's audio system. Number 1. PLZ 7 Wireless Double DIN Car Stereo. Stay connected effortlessly with this advanced car stereo. It offers seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus integrated voice control for hands-free operation of calls, music, and navigation. Experience crystal clear navigation and rich multimedia on its vibrant QLED screen. With advanced color accuracy and brightness, it ensures optimal visibility in any lighting condition. Elevate your in-car entertainment with exceptional sound quality. Featuring an upgraded amplifier chip and DSP, it delivers powerful audio with customizable EQ settings and subwoofer outputs. Keep your devices powered up with its fast charging port. Enjoy convenient media playback from USB drives or wired AirPlay, all while maintaining a clean and organized interior. Enhance your driving safety with steering wheel control compatibility. Manage audio and navigation functions without taking your hands off the wheel. Please ensure compatibility with your dashboard size and refer to the instructions for installation. Professional installation is recommended for the best experience. What we like. Upgrade your view with stunning clarity. This stereo features an advanced QLED screen for vibrant colors and excellent visibility in all conditions. If you desire seamless wireless connectivity for CarPlay and Android Auto, along with the convenience of a fast charging port to keep your devices powered, this is an excellent choice for a modern and visually superior driving experience. What people say. The screen is very responsive and the interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate through different functions. Installation was straightforward, and it fits perfectly in the dashboard without any gaps. Sound quality is excellent, with clear audio and good bass response, even at higher volumes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.